Together, you are the bubbles in one another's champagne, the morning sun through a window, the breaking of a smile. Together, you are the one donut in the bag with more jam in than all the others. That photo where everybody looks great. The know all the words, sing out of tune chorus of your favourite song. Together, you are the beginnings of a big idea. The twinkly bits that hang in the sky after a firework goes bang. The cold, thin air at the top of a mountain. The only two people in a crowded room. Together, you are the unforgettable day of the holiday. An accidental adventure, chocolate chip, the last 2 pages of your favourite book, a barbecue with friends, the spray of the sea, the nose of the cheese, a kiss, a hug, a hold my hand, a decision which, looking back, will seem the most excellent one you've ever made. Together, you are bubbles, the unburstable bubbles of the very best things in life, the only things any of us ever really need.
Today, I gave away my favourite oldest daughter. And I just want to share with everyone how much I love her and how proud I was to walk her down the aisle today. It's been a pleasure to get to know you, Ollie. You're a great guy, even if you are annoyingly good at fantasy football. Brian and Nita have done a fantastic job shaping a fine young man. Well done.
I do solemnly declare that I know not of any lawful impediment why I, Oliver James Mitchell, may not be joined in matrimony to Ashleigh Louise Wakenshaw. And I call upon these persons here present to witness that I, Ollie, do take you, Ash, to be my lawful wedded wife. I will love you, respect you, and stand by you. Ollie, I give you this ring
Ollie, I give you this ring
as a sign of our marriage
as a sign of our marriage
and a symbol of our love.
And
I take you to be my husband, to love and to be together for the rest of our lives. I promise to love you unconditionally, to support you through all of life's adventures, to honour and respect you, to laugh with you and cry with you, and to cherish you always.
Ash, every day you push me to become a better man, and I know I can always count on you. You always put others first, so much so that you should prioritise what's best for you and only you. You work tirelessly to make sure all of our plans are organised to perfection, including our special day today, and what a brilliant job she's done, I think we'll all agree. So a round of applause. I'm so grateful to call you my wife. I'm incredibly proud of the woman you've become, and I can't wait to spend the rest of our lives together, hopefully growing our little family and creating many more memories. I don't know what the future holds, but knowing it's a future with you brings an overwhelming sense of happiness and excitement, and together I know we'll make it through anything life throws at us. So a final toast to my best friend, the love of my life, my wife.
Ollie once told me, long before he met Ash, marriage is massive. If I ever do it, it'll be because I've found the one person who proves to me without a doubt that she's the one. Well, mate, mission accomplished.
I've always said the best things about Ash, and that she can make you laugh no matter what, and that she's the kind of person you can talk to about anything. She made me video that when we were 14. But today I'd add a few bits. I'd add that she's also one of the kindest people I know. Someone who makes sure everyone else has everything they need before thinking about themselves. Someone who'll drop everything to help somebody she loves. And Ollie, I know you already know how lucky you are. So here's to Ash and Ollie and the many years of love and laughter in their future. To Ash and Ollie.